Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today we have a new recipe and we're making cheesecake from scratch. I know you all love cheesecake, so let's make it. So here I extracted my cheese from 500 ml milk, fresh milk. Add in to that some vinegar so that it could coagulate and break into such kind of thing. So this is the cheese. This is the cheese cream that we're going to make our cheesecake with. This remaining liquid is called whey, and we're going to use it just to make the cheese cream creamier. So don't throw this away. You can also use this to cook your chapatis, to cook your stews, to put in your desserts or anything. Then of course for the base we need biscuits. You can use any kind of biscuits you have, but digestive work best. Then you need butter that you'll mix with the biscuits. So what you're going to do here is just break the biscuits into very fine crumbs. If you have a processor, a food processor, you can use. If you don't have, don't worry. Just remove the biscuits from the packs and crush them using your mwiko or anything that you can use, just to have a very, very fine crumb that you will use as your base for your cheesecake. After everything is perfectly crushed, what you want to do is put this in a bowl. Then mix it up with your melted butter. Ensure it has perfectly combined just to give you a perfect base. Remember, this is a no-bake cheesecake that you're making, so ensure this part is well done. We added a little of our salt, our gourmet salt, just to bring in that kick and add in a little flavor. You'll need to go in with your hands just to ensure everything is well mixed. Then line your baking tray and put in the crumbs. Make sure you press gently so that everything becomes compact and it forms a good base and crust. After it's all done, you can chill this in the fridge. Then take your cream cheese and work on it by blending it through. If you also have a food processor, you can use that here. So you just want to blend this here. You can add in the whey bit by bit. Don't do it all at once because the consistency of your cream cheese will become very runny, and you don't want a runny cream cheese. You want something pasty. It's more like a frosting than a runny thing. So you just want to add in the whey bit by bit until you get to the consistency that you want. This would take a bit of time just to get the perfect consistency of the cream cheese. So be patient until all is well. So this is the consistency that you want. Mine was just a little bit runny, just a little bit, but you can always keep on blending so that everything is well combined. So this is what you should achieve after everything is well combined. Then what you want to do next is just lay this cream cheese on your base, on your biscuit base, and just chill this in the fridge overnight. And then you can garnish it with some fresh strawberry puree or anything that you prefer. And guys, that's how easy it is to make your cheesecakes at home, your no-bake cheesecake. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed, share with your family and friends, and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye.